Okay, just take a comfortable seat and gently close your eyes and become aware of the feeling of your body resting on the sofa. Allow it to settle like a soft cloud of sensation. Now bring your attention to the sounds around you. Let your mind be open, like the expansive sky above. Observe as sounds arise, shift, and fade away. Acknowledge how they effortlessly come into being and naturally disappear, just like the passing moments of your day. No effort is needed to bring them forth, nor to hold on to them. Simply witness their existence. Similarly, observe the thoughts that arise, like ripples on the surface of your mind. Notice these internal sounds and images that may reflect the events of your long day at work. Acknowledge them as they come and go, without getting entangled in their content. Just be aware of each thought as it emerges into your awareness. And in this moment, when you find yourself sitting on the sofa after a long day at work, become aware of any thoughts that arise. Thoughts about the day, thoughts about what's to come. Just let them be. Observe them as they unfold and gracefully fade away. Notice the thoughts as they come and go. Take a moment to inquire inwardly. Is there a distinct you producing these thoughts? Or are they simply appearing in the open space of your consciousness? Allow yourself to rest in the awareness that thoughts themselves are transient and do not define your experience. Now bring your attention to the feeling of being the thinker. Explore this sense of I that arises within you. Notice the subtle sensation, the subtle energy that accompanies this feeling. Recognize that even this feeling of being the thinker is just another appearance in the vastness of consciousness. As we come to the end of this session, slowly open your eyes and let your gaze soften as you take in the space in front of you, whether it's the objects resting on your coffee table or the cozy surroundings of your living room. Allow your visual field to blend into a tapestry of colors and shadows. Release any thoughts or labels about the objects you see, and simply observe the raw data of your visual perception. Once again, I want to express my gratitude to you for taking this time for yourself as you sit on the sofa, reflecting on your long day at work. Acknowledge the sensations in your body and the thoughts that float through your mind. Thank yourself for showing up and prioritizing your well-being. Thank you for sharing this session with Meditator AI. I look forward to our next practice together.